You sure you didn't forget to press button? We will have only one fork.
Cheers.
Zing. Oh, so beautiful. One here.
Smell is amazing.
Only smell? Oh my god, so tasty. Okay, don't talk. Full. Another one. As usual, like, share and subscribe and comment. Hi everyone, welcome to Mike and Lera food channel. Hope guys you're having a nice day. On our menu today we have a cake called Ant Hill. I made this cake for our wedding anniversary. A few ingredients, a little time, and this cake is ready. And before we start, I want to remind you that the ingredients you will find in the description below. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you in advance. Let's begin! Привет всем! Рада приветствовать вас на канале Mike and Lera food channel. Желаю всем отличного дня, а сегодня у нас в меню торт с названием «Муравьиная горка». Я делала этот тортик на годовщину нашей свадьбы. Нам очень понравилось. Всего несколько ингредиентов, немного вашего времени и торт готов. Ингредиенты, как обычно, в описании под видео. И, ребят, подписывайтесь на наш канал, комментируйте, ставьте лайки. Давайте готовить! Boil 1 can condensed milk. 200 gram butter and 100 gram sugar combined together and grind until smooth. Sift around 450 gram flour. Add 2 eggs to butter and sugar. And after add flour and 5 gram baking powder. Mix well together and knead the dough. Place in plastic bag and put in freezer for 30 minutes. Grate the dough. Bake 20-30 minutes till golden. Flip one time. Crumble into small pieces. Also crumble 10 walnuts. Let's prepare cream. Blend boiled condensed milk. Add 5 tablespoons of sour cream and blend again. Combine cream and cookies in a bowl. Mix well together. Cover deep plate with cling film and put all inside. Press and smooth well. Cover and put in fridge for 30 minutes. Then carefully turn the bowl and put on plate. Decorate with chocolate and refrigerate overnight. Приятного аппетита! You didn't forget to press button. It started, right?
Check, go check for me.
Хорошо,
Not you.
Who else here? Oh, so nice by the way here, so visible.
Yeah, I'm visible.
Today we are trying our wedding anniversary cake that I cooked, of course. We will have only one fork. But it's okay.
Yeah, it's like sharing is caring, no? Yum.
Oh, it's so heavy. I will show
How many
inside.
kilos?
Ooh, it's really heavy.
Ah, smells.
It's like our tradition. You will. Okay.
Tell me. Cheers.
Zing.
No, of course not cheers.
It's like cheers. It's we are celebrating.
Let's say
right?
something.
You will try first because it's tradition. You're trying all the time first.
Mm-hmm.
Please your fork, and I want to show this inside. How it will be.
So you give me the hard part to do, huh?
We even don't have plates, but it's okay.
It's fun. It's fun. It's all about fun.
We're on holidays.
Exactly.
If it will be broken, it's okay. Oh, so nice it looks.
Oh.
Nice. Oh, so beautiful. No.
Well, 1 year, so خلاص.
1 year. Yeah, you try first because it's my soul in this cake.
Smell is amazing.
Only smell. I'm joking. I feel
You
like
eat with your
I
nose
feel-
first. It's really good. Oh my god. Such a shame you shouldn't be trying with this with us guys. Should sell this.
My god, so tasty. It's really, better than even some other cakes. I mean, it's very, very simple to cook.
And it's like a hard cake. It's not even like not hard. You know, like tacked together. Something here is addictive.
I cannot control my emotions, really.
Same.
Yeah.
Something makes you want to eat more.
Okay, today we can. We have a reason today.
We're celebrating anniversary. Tomorrow your birthday. After tomorrow my birthday. So 3 days in a row.
Eat for 3 days now, all.
So each day 2 pieces, and then the other ones 4 days off.
But it should stay for sure 1 night in fridge before eating. Not like you will eat it straight after cooking. It should stay because it will take all this
Flavors.
Yeah.
My god.
Maybe no need to put this recipe because everyone will know the recipe and cannot sell it. And everyone will know how to cook it. No? Or okay, don't talk. Eat. Don't talk. What's this, eh?
You cannot be on diet when you eat this, huh?
But it's really like, it seems that it's small, but it's a big one. Because
Actually,
it's very,
1 piece is filling.
yeah. Cool.
And me, I'm saying this. I eat too much. 1 piece is really filling. It's perfect. 3.
Yeah, but tea without sugar because it's very sweet. Yeah? Better for me.
It's not annoyingly sweet.
Because it has flavor, not only
Yeah.
like sweet,
And
but
it's
the
crunchy.
sweet.
Some parts of it is really crunchy.
So nice, I like how it looks inside. Just I will show it like this part. It's like this marble, I mean.
Yes, let me I'll show you guys.
Very nice. Такой красивый.
From top, like I'm showing you.
Full? Another one?
No, no.
Okay, guys.
It's really heavy, guys.
Guys, thank you for watching. As usual, like, share and subscribe and comment. And stay with us. See you in next our video. And we will continue to celebrate our wedding anniversary. And eat more.
And eat more.
Probably.
Or something else.
Yeah, I don't know.
Alright guys,
Bye.
thank you so
See
much
you.
for being with us. Bye.